Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make CV or resume for free, or we'll show you top websites to make resume for free, and best websites to download and editable resume templates. So, let's begin. Okay, the first website, which I will show you is Canva. This website is quick and easy to use. So, open this website, open your browser, or type www.canva.com. Okay, now, open the first link. You can see, the website is display on screen. Now, you have to sign up. You can either sign up with Google account, or you can sign up with Facebook. Okay, the next step is type resume in search bar. Now, you can see different type of resume are shown. Select anyone, which you like. So, select any design of resume, and I will make changes. Now, change the size to 75 to 80%. Now, you can easily edit. First, write your name, your specialization. Okay, now. Okay, now, upload your photo. So, click on upload, select upload media, choose your photo. You can resize the photo by double-clicking. You can add qualification, experiences, your address, so on. Okay, now, after editing, you can download it with this method. Go to download button. Now you can select any file type, PDF, PNG, JPG. I will download as PDF file. Okay, you can see, it has been downloaded. If you need any changes, you can go back to the website, and select any design which you want. Click on your resume, now to make further changes, and download it. So, you can use so many other template from here with free of cost. The second website, which have to show you is Templatenet. Let's open this website. Okay, open your internet browser, then type Templatenet CV or resume. Now, open second link. This is the website. Here you can see different CV design with different professions. For example, account resume, admin resume, engineering resume, and much more. Okay, I will choose basic resume. There are so many basic resume templates on this website. You can choose any of the template which you like. I will choose one which I like. You can download any format. I will choose Microsoft Word. They will asking you for sign up with your Google account or Facebook account. I will sign in with Google account. Okay, you can see two options on your screen. One is subscribe to download, and second, free download. I will click on free download. Now, click on OK button. It has been downloaded a zip file. So, open it. Open zip file. Click on Word. OK. Now you can edit it, and make changes as you like. The third website, which I will show you, Cool Free CV. The good thing of this website, you do not need to register or sign up. Okay, let's start. So, open your internet browser, now type, Cool Free CV. Open the first link. Here is you no need to sign up or register to download. You can see so many number of CV show on your screen. Editable blue background, modern resume, editable classic resume. You can download any CV design. So, you have to click on download button. I will be downloaded. Open the CV. Click on editing. You can edit it as you like. Okay. Write your good name, add your photo, and add your contact information, language, summary, educational background, skills, experiences. After you are done with editing your resume, you can save it PDF format. It will done. The fourth number website, which is Freesums. This website also, you no need to sign up and register. So, let's begin. Open your internet browser, then type Freesums. Click on second link. You can see, website opened in your screen. Okay. Just click on Browse Templates. Now, you can see, a number of modern resume templates. So, select any one of the CV. Select anyone, which you like, then scroll down, and click on Download. It will direct open to a new page. It has been downloaded on zip format. Okay, this is the resume document. Extract on desktop. Click on Enable Editing. So, now, you can edit CV as you like. After doing editing, save it in PDF document. One good thing, you can save both Word and PDF document. Okay, the fifth website will show you Résumés. Let's open this website. First open your internet browser, type Résumés CV. Open the link, and you can see on your screen, this is the website. And also, in this website, no need to register and sign up to download. Okay, you can see, a number of resume. These are all as free of cost. Select anyone to download any design. So, I will select this. Now, scroll down. So, now, click on download. It will be downloaded as zip file. Now, click on OK. Now open it, and now copy. Then paste on desktop. Open Resume. Click on editing. Now you can edit and make changes as you like. Thank you for watching. I hope it will be helpful for you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative video.